We got a fish on, baby! Got another other bait! It's better than a man! Good morning everybody, welcome back to another video, the first video of 2023. Happy New Year's everyone. You got Jomer, June, Louis.
Hi, morning.
Import, and then my dad's finally here with us. He wasn't able to join us when we went fishing for the huge sailfish. We got the two electrics today, trolling rods and some spinners. Today we are gonna make kaskas first, or in English it's called sabike. And then we're gonna catch some bait, live bait, and then hopefully if the weather is still calm, we'll head to Fortune or Matabungkay. So right now we are just fixing our anchor, and then once we're anchored, we're gonna start dropping some sabike rigs and some alamang chumming baits to hopefully lure those in. Thanks for coming back to watching this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Check out the bait for today. That's the sabike rig. Shout out to Sir Tugleg. Thank you so much, sir. He gave this for Christmas as a gift. Then we also gave him some shirts. Thank you, sir. Here we got Louis. Uy, wala pa. May naramdam ka? My dad's there in the spinner. Here's our bait for today, alamang. And Jomer's there. It's a swear to spot. This spot is where I caught my sailfish in the last video. There's June rigging up more rods. We got the electrics here today to speed up everything. Meron? Wala pa. Check this out, guys. We see all the movements underneath. Got great movement under. Talakitok. Salay, malaki. Uy, salay, malaki na. Here, tingnan ka live well. We have a big one here. Two salays, huge.
Grabe ka naman, boss. Akala ko isa.
Louis, meron ka nun, Lou? Yun. Dumaan na. Ang laki. Laking salay, oh.
Ilan? Ayun, dumaan na. Meron na yan.
Lahat sa salay. Dumaan lang. Under us. Lalaki, no? Mamaya na tayo mag ano. Hindi ko naman ihagis.
Sorry. Ayan.
We have 3 in the bag. 3 salays, guys. 3. We need more.
Okay.
Here we are. We are about to set up our palaboy or drift rig. Check it out. We got a hook there. This is the rig, then we just like throw it out there. Setting it up just now. We got 3 salays. Big ones. 2 by my dad and 1 by our special guest, Mr. Louis Bacosa. Here we are, the next wave. Jomer's got one on. Dad's got one on. Here, our palaboy's out there.
Apat! Bihirahan! Apat!
Pa-drop, bilis, drop.
Ay, ito sa magagandang pain. Maliliit.
Oo, yan.
Paraday, banderitas.
Smile naman dyan, smile.
Banderitas.
Okay.
Palaki eh,
June wala.
Sino, gandang paan ito ah.
Manipis eh. Maganda yung gawa ni Tugleg. Shout out to Sir Greg, Tugleg TV, the best talaga. He made us this kaskas or sabika bait. Thank you, sir. Okay, it's currently 9 AM. We have about 7 pieces of salay-salay, and now we are headed towards Fortune, or if ever it stays calm, then we head towards Ampil. So we are hoping for calm weather. We're done with reeling up the anchor, and in a minute we'll be heading there. Here we are in Fortune Island. We couldn't go to Ambil and Lubang towards that area because the waves started to pick up, winds are picking up. There's some white caps starting to happen there in the waves, so we're gonna drop Louis down here. He wants to go for a spear. This goes about probably 10 to 15 meters deep. So you guys are gonna be going with Louis while we will drift out these live baits. While we were drifting our live baits, Louis went for his first dive. And in his first dive, he saw a school of rainbow runners. So he immediately settled down and selected one. Then, bullseye. This is his first fish of the day. Here is the first fish of the day, a beautiful rainbow runner weighing approximately about 2.5 kilos, caught by Louis. On to the next dive of Louis. As he was descending, he just paused in the bottom and then he saw the school of rainbow runners pass by once again. But then as he looked closely, behind he saw this big shadow, and this shadow apparently was a green jobfish. But he couldn't shoot it up close because the current was just pushing really strong and he couldn't really get a good and accurate shot. After he surfaced and did some recovery breathing, he dove back down, and finally the green jobfish approached closer and closer, and then he finally got a good shot. This fish ran crazy and unfortunately got away. Check this out, guys. Guess who is back? The school of rainbow runners are there, passing by from the distance. But then they were too far and it was too hard for Louis to catch and go after because of the current, so he just let them swim away. On his next dive, check this out. From the distance in the shadows, he saw this huge barracuda, probably about 4 or 5 feet long, and then it was really thick. But then he couldn't really shoot it well. Barracudas are known to be dangerous, especially when they're shot, because they tend to attack you or they could even bite you. So he also couldn't shoot them due to the currents being just so strong. So he just let swim away. Louis here said he was hiding behind the rock, and a couple seconds later he saw this sweet lips approach. But then he couldn't get a shot off because the currents were just too strong. And as you guys can see, the waves up top are just really crazy. On his next descent, he saw a school of sweet lips. And he finally was able to get a good shot off as they approached him. And this right here is his second fish of the day. This sweet lips was Louis' last fish of the day. So for today, he caught a total of 1 rainbow runner and 2 sweet lips. They're picking up now. We got white caps. Louis is there. We haven't eaten yet. It is currently 9:40 AM. Well, we caught one though. We got some So right now we are now headed to check on Louis, check if he has some fish and if he's doing good, because the waves have picked up. Check out the waves! guy's different. He's really swimming on the... Saan siya? There. Parang wala. Ayun, meron doon. Dalawa. He's got two. Grouper, labo. Man! Grabe! Check this out, Rainbow Runner. By Louie, the beast.
White sun.
Saan mo na pa na yan? Mababaw lang? Malalim. Hindi ko kaya. Like 20 meters? Beautiful. I don't know what kind of fish is this, but grabe. White paw. We got a fish on, baby!
Oh wow, malaki! Oh, malaki!
Another bait! Meron na naman! That's a wrap for this part 1 session of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that spear fishing session by Louie. It's crazy. Stay tuned for part 2. We just caught something huge right there in the back. It's an amazing fish. Stay tuned, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and press that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. This fish right here is crazy.